Warning: you might find the content herein disturbing. Supreme Master Ching Hai's urgent message to all animal meat business and livestock factory owners.
Dear all animal meat business persons, groups, and livestock factory owners, please take heed, because this is very, very important for you. You must know this before it's too late. For you, this is what hell will sentence you for. Maybe you did not do it on purpose. Maybe you didn't think about it. But you must think about it, because it concerns you. You will go to hell and suffer so much more, 1,000 times more than these animals and people are suffering because of your bloody business. I am not swearing. Blood is on your hand, on your body, in your hair, in your stomach, in your breath, in your lungs, in your cars, in your houses, in your food, in your shoes, the leather shoes that you wear, everything is all stained with blood, soaked in blood. You turn now when you still can. Begin a new life. I promise to intervene with heaven on your behalf. For I also love you, despite what you have done. So stop the murdering. Stop it now and repent, so that the mercy of God might not be obstructed for you and yours. May God help you to be awakened soon.
Please keep watching to find out more. This is a highly recommended must-watch.